What's up guys, it's Mr. Roy here and welcome back to All Round Review. Today we are checking out the brand new Oraimo Watch 6 Lite. This is part of the Watch 6 series including the Watch 6, Watch 6 Nano, Watch 6N and Watch 6 Pro. Right on the packaging they are already highlighting some really solid features here. We have the AI watch faces, anti-scratch Panda Glass, heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring and an IP68 waterproof rating. This is a big 2.01 inches screen. Alright, and at the back of the box we have the full specification of the Watch 6 Lite. We also have the authentication code to verify this product. This is the black variant. You can also scan this code to download the Oraimo Health app. Opening the box, we get the standard accessories. This is the user manual which contains all the information you need to know about the Watch 6 and a proper way to troubleshoot it just in case you have any issue. And the next one here is the USB-C charging cable. Alright guys, this is the Watch 6 Lite. The design is looking really sleek and it honestly feels pretty premium right out of the box. I love this strap pattern over the other type. The strap feels tough and flexible. Doesn't feel like something that will break off easily. Additionally, you can always replace your strap. The silicone strap feels really comfortable and lightweight too. By the way, if you like what you see and want to pick one for yourself, you can get a 5% discount on your order. Just use my coupon code that's popping on your screen right now. To get the best experience, you have to download the Oraimo Health app by scanning the QR code on the screen. You can pair them if you already have the app. Make sure you allow all the necessary permission for the best experience. The interface is nice. I'm definitely going to put this IP68 rating, the health tracking and those AI watch faces to the test over the next few days. There is a slight difference in the UI but I would love to see what's new, though I'm not expecting much because this is the Lite variant. So drop a comment below and let me know what specific features you want me to test out for the full review. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, make sure you are subscribed and I'll catch you guys in the full review. Bye for now.